Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing about the second topic of Employee Onboarding Program. In our previous video, we have discussed about Introduction to Employee Onboarding, that is, what is Employee Onboarding. In this video, we'll be discussing about benefits and impact of Employee Onboarding. Employee onboarding is more than just a welcome process. It's the key to long-term success. A well-structured onboarding program boosts employee engagement, enhances productivity, and improves retention. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of effective onboarding and its impact on both employees and organizations. Benefits and impact of employee onboarding. So friends, this is the second topic of employee onboarding program. Employee onboarding is not just a routine introduction for new hires. It is a strategic process that plays a crucial role in shaping their long-term success within an organization. A well-designed onboarding program ensures that employees feel equipped, engaged, and aligned with the company's objectives from the very beginning. This process not only benefits new employees but also contributes significantly to organizational growth and business success. Let's explore the key benefits of a structured onboarding and also understand how onboarding impacts employee turnover in detail. So friends, in this video we'll be covering benefits of employee onboarding and the impact of employee onboarding. Benefits of structured employee onboarding. So friends, wasting no time, let's get into the video and understand what is the benefits of structured employee onboarding. Onboarding is more than just an introduction to the company. It is a carefully planned process that ensures new employees feel welcomed, prepared, and aligned with the organization goals. A well-structured onboarding program provides employees with the necessary tools, training, and support to boost engagement, productivity, and retention. Let's explore each benefit in detail with real-world examples. Improved employee engagement. Employee engagement is a crucial for productivity and long-term success. When a new hire feels welcome, supported, and valued from the beginning, they are more likely to stay motivated and contribute effectively. For example, companies with structured onboarding program often includes team building activities, informal meet and greet sessions, and goal setting discussions. This helps new hires to build relationships and feel connected to their teams and increase overall engagement. Faster time to productivity. The sooner an employee adapts to their role, the faster they can contribute to the organization. A structured employee onboarding program provides clear guidance, training, and resources, reducing time it takes for a new hire to become fully productive. For example, a well-designed training schedule with defined milestone and progress tracking helps the employees to learn their responsibilities quickly. By breaking the learning process into stages, new hires can gradually take on responsibilities with confidence. Higher job satisfaction. A positive onboarding experience leaves a lasting impression on employees. When new hires feel welcomed and supported, they are more likely to be satisfied with their jobs, leading to higher retention rates and commitment. For example, some organizations provide personal welcome kits including branded merchandise, office supplies, or handwritten welcome notes. Additionally, membership programs where experienced employees guide new hires create a sense of belonging and encouragement. Strengthen organization culture. Company culture plays a significant role in employee satisfaction and retention. A structured onboarding process instills the company's values, mission, and work ethics in employees from the very beginning. For example, success companies organize cultural orientation sessions and share success stories to help new employees understand the company's vision. This makes it easier for the new hires to align themselves with the company's long-term goals and work accordingly. Enhanced retention rates. Employees who have a smooth onboarding experience are more likely to stay with the company for a longer period. When organizations invest in their new hires, employees feel valued, supported, reducing the chances of early resignation. The fact is that research shows that employees who experience a well-structured onboarding process are 58% more likely to stay with the company for at least 3 years. A lack of proper onboarding often results in confusion, distraction, higher turnover rates. Reduction in onboarding errors. Without a structured onboarding process, miscommunication, incomplete training, and missed documentation can create confusion. A well-planned approach ensures a smooth transition for new hires while preventing mistakes in the onboarding phase. For example, many companies now use automated onboarding checklists that include all necessary steps such as documentation submissions, ID setup, policy training, and first week tasks. These checklists helps the HR teams to stay organized and prevent errors in the onboarding process. In conclusion, what we can say is that a structured onboarding program is a critical investment for any organization. It enhances employee engagement, accelerates productivity, and strengthens company culture and increases retention rates. By implementing a well-organized onboarding process, business can set up new hires for long-term success while fostering a positive work environment. Impact of onboarding on employee turnover. Now let us discuss in detail about the second section, that is the impact of onboarding on employee turnover. Employee turnover can be a major challenge for any organization, leading to financial losses, disruptions in workflow, and decreased morale among remaining employees. One of the biggest reasons for early resignations is a poor onboarding experience. When new hires don't feel supported, they often look for opportunities elsewhere. An effective onboarding program can significantly reduce turnover rates by providing employees with clarity, support, and the resources they need to succeed. Let's explore how onboarding affects employee retention and what organizations can do to create positive, long-lasting impact on their workforce. How poor onboarding contributes to turnover. A weak onboarding process often leads to confusion, frustration, and disengagement among new hires. Here is how a lack of structured onboarding can push employees to leave early. Lack of clarity. When employees don't understand the roles and responsibilities and expectations, they feel lost and overwhelmed. This leads to stress and dissatisfaction, increasing the likelihood of resignation. Then comes limited support. Without proper mentorship, feedback, and guidance, new hires may feel isolated, making it harder for them to adjust to the workplace. Then finally comes inadequate resources. Employees who don't receive the right tools, training, or access to information struggle to perform well. Frustration from being unprepared often results in disengagement and resignation. There is a fact that states that research shows that 20% of employee turnover happens within the first 45 days due to poor onboarding practices. Now let us understand what is the positive impact of effective onboarding. A well-structured employee onboarding program can drastically reduce turnover rates by setting employees up for success from day one. Let's break down the key ways effective onboarding helps retain employees. Reduces early turnover. A strong onboarding process ensures that employees feel supported and confident in their roles from the beginning, reducing the chances of early resignations. Solution. Companies should provide structured training, clear job expectations, and regular check-ins during their first few weeks. For example, organizations that assign onboarding buddies or mentors help new hires feel more comfortable, increase their likelihood of staying. Building stronger connections. Humans thrive on relationships, and employees who build meaningful connections in the workplace are more likely to stay. Employees who feel connected to their team and company culture are significantly less likely to leave within the first year. For example, organizations that implement mentorship programs, team introductions, and social events create a sense of belonging among new hires. Aligned expectations. Misaligned expectations between employees and employers often lead to dissatisfaction. Clear communication during onboarding prevents misunderstandings and fosters long-term commitment. HR teams should conduct regular feedback sessions during onboarding to ensure employees understand their roles and expectations. For example, setting up goal-setting meetings within the first 30 to 60 days can help employees and managers stay on the same page. Enhance confidence and competence. Employees who feel competent and well prepared in their roles are more likely to stay committed to their organizations. Providing hands-on training, role-play exercises, and shadow sessions with the experienced employees can boost the confidence. For example, a new sales associate shadowing a top-performing salesperson will learn faster and feel more prepared to handle clients. Strengthens commitment to the organization. Onboarding is an opportunity to align employees' personal goals with the company's mission and long-term vision. When employees see how their work contributes to the bigger picture, they feel motivated and loyal. HR teams can create career development roadmaps for new hires to show them potential growth opportunities within the organization. For example, companies that share the growth strategies, employee success stories, and long-term vision during the onboarding help new hires feel invested in company's future. So friends, this is about the impact of onboarding on employee turnover. A structured and engaging onboard process is one of the most effective ways to reduce employee turnover. By providing clear expectations and strong support systems and career development opportunities, organizations can increase retention, boost productivity, and create a positive work environment. If companies invest in effective onboarding, they won't just retain employees, they will build a workforce that is engaged, motivated, and loyal for years to come. So friends, hope you understood in detail about the second section of employee onboarding. Here we have understood in detail about benefits of structured employee onboarding program and the impact of onboarding on employee turnover. And we will discuss in detail about the third section of employee onboarding program in the upcoming video. So friends, if you have any questions or queries related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.